Hi, scholars. So for today, what I would like you to do is I want you to work on this survey. It's called Nonfiction Interest Survey. And it's really good to just help me know as your teacher how I can help guide you in quarter 2 in our nonfiction unit. Um, what is nonfiction? So just to even begin with, nonfiction is based off of facts, real lifetime events, real people. It could be like a biography, um, parts of like textbooks, or even just textbooks itself. Um, so the survey is meant to help me as your teacher, just help guide you in choosing books that hopefully are interesting to you. Because nonfiction can be really challenging when you are reading books that you're not interested in. So this is just going to help me know a little bit more about you guys as we're moving forward for this quarter. Um, One thing that would be great is the first question is just about what class I have you for. So if I have you with Mr. Steele, that's 4th hour readers. If I have you with Miss Hauser, that's 5th hour. And if you are a 7th grader, you are ELA. I quickly just want to go over the different topics and explain them just a little bit so you understand. So if you're really into science, science nonfiction books, and when you're looking, I have a couple different topics: planets, the sun, the moon, stars, the galaxy, weather, plants, natural disasters, places, GMOs, AI, rocks, artificial formation, or I'm sorry, rock and crystal formation. If any of those are interesting to you, click as many as you can. And then this first one is just to rate the topics of your favorite slash most interest, and then your least favorite. For me personally, I probably would not put science as probably my favorite. Um, that's just me and how I am. That's why I'm a reading teacher. Well, I guess you could be a reading teacher, be really into science, but that's why I'm not a science teacher. Another one is people. And so people can have a lot of different categories. So when we're looking at the people category, that could be presidents of the United States, it could be authors, musicians, actors, and athletes. Athletes does go kind of into the sports category, but just know that. So people, so if you are more into learning about people and checking out different biographies, I would for sure rate people as a higher number, 1, 2. History itself, this one can be kind of hard because history, there's a lot of history and lots of topics in history. Some easy topics could be like US presidents, um, Barack Obama, currently now Trump. Another topic could be war and United States involvement in other nations. We could also look at, for history, immigration groups entering the United States and United States involvement in that. If you're more focused on the United States and our US government structure, so maybe like the 3 branches of government, that could be a good category for you. Political organizations that truly have a lot in shaping our United States history. One of that could be like the Black Panthers, Black Lives Matter movement, and I'm trying to add a couple more organizations before you guys get this survey. And then if maybe you're not feeling the United States history and you want to study other nations, maybe wars or history, go ahead and click on that box. So if that topic is really interesting to you, I would try and rate that higher rather than lower. And sports, if you're really into sports and want to learn more about sports, I think I'd list out different sports like football, basketball, baseball. If you don't like sports, I'd probably put that as the least favorite one. And then animals, if you're really into animals, go ahead and click on that one for you. And lots of different endangered species, dinosaurs, cats, dogs, pets, farm animals, all that good stuff. And then lastly, if you had me last year or remember reading nonfiction books that you really enjoyed, what were they? If I had you for 7th grade, it'd be lovely to know which ones slash just spark my memory as to what was great. And that's all you have to do for today is complete the survey. Have a great day. Bye.